What kids do is, in the preparation, they try to, while they're preparing, I have seen kids, what they do is, they kind of, hey, have you done critical listening today? Yes, I've done for half an hour. I've done so many questions. I've done yes, no, I've got the answers. Then they go to the exam and expect that to improve. It will never happen. You have done half an hour of critical reasoning. You have to do 1 hour of discussion, 1 hour of detailing. In the exam, it can be fast. In the exam, they are then thinking what is not the answer, why the answer. I think that's one mistake they have to make. And that's why I'm saying outside exam, what they have to do to common mistakes, make a debate club, make a debate study group, regularly create arguments, ask. One other interesting idea I'll tell you. Outside the exam, you need not even solve questions. Critical reasoning is one area, a beautiful area. Whatever I'm going to say now, as teachers, you might not feel okay with it. It's not about solving questions, critical reasoning. A lot of people make a big mistake of solving. It's about reading passages. Solving questions can come later. The first thing is, go read as many different type of passages you can and ask yourself, did I get the message right? Did I get the method of what the passage is about? Did I get the tone? Did I get the premises correct? Did I get the conclusion correct? Did I understand the assumptions? Let them do this. If they can practice 5 to 10 passages every day without actually solving questions, they spend so much time on solving questions, they do not get the passage right. What do they use? Debate it, focus on understanding the passage, and like I said, and the passage better way. There's nothing better than reading editorials. There's nothing, they're reading anyway. People read novels, etc. I think you have to graduate from fiction to non-fiction. You have to graduate from lighter books to heavier books, lighter books to, this is the only way that can happen. That's why I said, what you read is not important, how you read is more important. What you watch is not important, how you watch is important.
It's not about the thing, it's about the analysis, the depth of analysis.
Absolutely, absolutely. That is what makes a difference.
Even if I do 2 or 3 passages, but if I'm analyzing it from different perspectives, that would build my critical.
Absolutely. You're absolutely right on that. So they need not solve questions. I'm saying, instead of assume 5 passages, each passage 4 or 5 questions, like you said, instead of solving 30, 40 questions, let them spend time on doubling the number of passages they can work on. Instead of 5, let's focus on 10 passages, but no questions. But each passage with their friend, let them say, let's deconstruct this passage.